You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to record ultra smooth and detailed 4000 video at 120 frames per second on your iPhone 16 Pro. First, open the camera app. Make sure you are in video mode by swiping to video at the bottom. Look at the top of the screen where you see the current resolution and frame rate, such as HD30. Tap on this indicator. A menu will pop up with various quality options. Swipe all the way to the left on this menu until you see 4K at 120 Fps. Tap to select it. The top indicator should now read 4K 120. You are now ready to record. Press the red record button to start at 120 frames per second. Recording captures incredibly smooth motion, perfect for fast action, sports, or creating cinematic slow motion in editing. Be aware that 4120 fps files are very large and will quickly consume storage space on your phone. Also, using this mode can cause the phone to heat up faster and use battery more quickly. To switch back to a standard mode, tap the top indicator again and choose a setting like 4K at 60 fps or HD at 30. This high frame rate feature is exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro models and newer, like the iPhone 16 Pro, due to their advanced processors. For more simple camera tutorials, subscribe to the channel.